Wasn't that buzzing sound of mosquitoes very irritating? Well, they buzz near our ears and it is so irritating. And also they spread a number of diseases, isn't it? So mosquitoes are a type of insects that create lots of problems in our lives, but they are not the only ones. What about these cockroaches? They are so irritating, isn't it? And however hard you try to kill them, there will always be more of them. And they are really irritating, isn't it? You won't find them attractive in any way. So these are some really irritating insects which create a number of problems, including many diseases. And then of course we have the houseflies, which play their role in irritating us, and also they spread a number of diseases. So you see, all these are common insects that we see all around us, but these are not the only ones. You see, ant, bee, beetle, butterfly, mosquito, fly, all these are insects that we see around us, and they play different roles in our lives. Well, all these are insects, but how do we know if an organism is an insect or not? What is the definition criteria? Well, a very small creature with 6 legs, with 1 or 2 pairs of wings, and with a body divided into 3 parts, or any creature with similar characteristics. So usually these characteristics define an insect. Now these are all insects, but how do we identify if an organism is an insect or not? Well, there are some definite criteria which decide if an organism is an insect or not. Let's see what they are. So what is an insect? A very small creature with 6 legs, with 1 or 2 pairs of wings, and with a body divided into 3 parts, or any creature with similar characteristics. So whichever creature satisfies these characteristics, we call it an insect. Now ants are common insects which we see all around us. Now let me share with you some interesting facts about ants. Now ants live in colonies. So ants will never live alone. They always live in colonies. Also, an ant can lift 20 times its own body weight. So it's very strong. It can actually lift 20 times its own body weight. If you want to compare the power of ant with your own, this fact will help you compare that. If you were as strong as an ant, you could easily lift a car. So if you were as strong as the ant, an ant can lift 20 times its own body weight. So you could lift 20 times your own body weight. So you could actually lift a car if you were as strong as an ant. Now, beetles are some insects which are again all around us. Now, there are 3 lakh different types of beetles. So there is a huge variety of them. Adult beetles have 2 sets of wings. As you can see, they have 2 sets of wings. So 1 pair, and this is another pair. And beetles help get rid of garbage and eat dead plants. So not all insects are harmful. As you can see, beetles actually help us by eating dead plants and garbage. So adult beetles have dash sets of wings. Is it 2, is it 3, or is it 4? What do you think? Well, the answer is 2. So adult beetles have two sets of wings. Now bees are another type of insects which we see all around us. Now bees live in colonies. Just like ants, even bees live in colonies. Bees make honey to feed their young, and that's how we get honey. We get honey from honeycomb made by bees. And bees can see all colors except the color red. So bees cannot see the color red. Apart from that, they can see all the colors. And then come the flies. Well, there are 1,20,000 types of flies in the world. Most common flies we encounter are fruit flies and house flies. So you must have seen some small flies which usually you will find near fruits. Those are the fruit flies, and the other ones are the common house flies which we see usually. So these are two common types which we see around us, but there are 1,20,000 types of flies in the world. And what about the mosquitoes? Well, they are of the same family as house flies and fruit flies. Only female mosquitoes bite humans. So the mosquitoes that bite us, they are all female mosquitoes, and they spread a number of diseases such as malaria, dengue, etc. So they are very harmful for humans and animals too. And then we have butterflies. Now we all know that butterflies are beautiful flying insects, and they feed on nectar from flowers, and that is why you will usually see butterflies near flowers. So you see, these are some of the common insects which we see all around us. So we have ant, bee, beetle, fly, mosquito and butterfly. Now among these, some are very helpful to us while some are harmful to us. So we should not try to eliminate every insect which is around us. We should see whether they are helping the nature or they are creating problems or spreading diseases, and accordingly we should get rid of insects.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.